When utilizing a weighted grading system, it is important to initially set up your categories correctly in Blackboard. The first thing you need to do is access the full Grade Center in your Blackboard course. Once there, select Categories under the Manage drop-down menu. You will now see all of the current categories that exist in this particular course. You will notice that Blackboard already has 8 default grading categories: Assignment, Blog, Discussion, Journal, Self and Peer, Survey, Test, and Wiki. You may either elect to use the existing categories or create your own so that it aligns with the categories you refer to in your syllabus. If you need to create a category, simply click Create Category and give it a name before clicking Submit. One word of caution here. If you have similar categories showing, such as Quiz and Quizzes, or even Test and Exam, this could present issues in the next step. The important thing is to use terms that accurately represent the category as listed in the syllabus and select that category consistently on the respective assignments. When possible, eliminate any confusing terms so your gradebook is as simple as possible. Once you are satisfied that every category you need is displayed in this section, click OK to return to the full Grade Center. Your next step is to select Column Organization under the Manage drop-down menu. This will bring up a page that shows every grading column present in the course, as well as a few standard columns that are the same in every course, such as the student's name and last access to the course. In the lower section, your grading columns will be listed. In some cases, you will notice that the category has already been assigned correctly. If not, this is the best place to reassign these categories quickly. Simply select the box next to the name of the assignment or assignments you would like to reassign, then use the menu located at the top or bottom of the screen where you will choose Change Category To, and then click the name of the category designated for this assignment or assignments. Repeat this step until all assignments reflect the appropriate category. Before you leave this page, you must click Submit so that these changes are saved. Now that you have your categories and assignments cleaned up, you will create your calculated column with the appropriate weighting. In the Full Grade Center, select Weighted Column under the Create Calculated Column drop-down. It is vital that you entitle this column Current Grade. Anything other than that will not correctly transfer into the gradebook in Jenzabar. Your primary display should be set to percentage, and the secondary display should be set to none. In the lower box, you will see all of your available categories that were set up earlier. Select the category and then click the arrow to place that in the list of those available for calculation. Once they are all showing in the box on the right, enter the appropriate percentage in the box next to the orange asterisk. Once you do, click Tab so that the total weight shown below is updated. Go to the next category and do the same, being sure to enter the correct percentage as reported in your syllabus. Once you have finished these steps, your total weight should equal 100%. Just below this box, select Yes for Calculate as Running Total. Additional options below should be set by default for this column to function accurately. Click Submit to save this and return to the Full Grade Center. Your next step is to create a column for your adjusted grades. In the Full Grade Center, select Create Column and enter the column name as Adjusted Grade. It is vital that you entitle this column Adjusted Grade. Anything other than that will not correctly transfer into the gradebook in Jenzabar. Your primary display should be set to text, and the secondary display should be set to none. There should be no category assigned to this column, and a point value of 100 should be listed here. In the options below, be sure to click No so as not to include this in the Grade Center calculations. Click Submit to save your changes and return to the Full Grade Center. At the end of the semester or session for your course, you will use the Adjusted Grade column to enter any grade adjustments that are different than what is calculated in the Current Grade column. This includes the entry of grading anomalies and adjustments, including letters used by the registrar's office. If there is no adjustment needed, a null entry is sufficient. The system will then use the grade from the current grade column. You will now go back into the column organization so you can correctly position the current grade and adjusted grade columns for easy viewing. Your new columns will be located at the very bottom of this page. Click on the arrow cross icon to the left of each respective column and simply drag it to the top section just under the student's name. Be sure to click Submit.